Parking garages and parking lots are large, isolated places that can make it difficult for visitors or employees to contact security or emergency personnel if needed. The Ritron fixed location two-way radio call box is an ideal communication solution for those locations. Placed strategically at elevators, stairways, and throughout a facility, the call box provides an immediate two-way connection to security or other radio-equipped personnel. The Callbox is compatible with most other brands of portable two-way radios and can be integrated into those existing systems. The Callbox can send security staff a specific location ID of the caller and can enable a strobe light for added visual identification. Range is approximately 1 mile, and radio repeaters can be used to extend coverage.
Calling security now. Garage 2.
Garage 2. Security call. Customer needs assistance.
Because the Callbox is a radio, there are no airtime fees associated with it. It can be powered by batteries or external power supply. Callboxes are a fast and effective way to connect visitors and employees to security personnel. Click on the link for more information about the Ritron Callbox and our other American-made products.